a storage facility about 700 feet underground, climate controlled. Banks and Hollywood like to use it a lot, but we have a space there for our people.
Okay, so going back to the point you mentioned, like the memory box. So does that mean you may wake up and not knowing who you are?
We don't know. We, obviously, before we do a revival, we'll have to do a testing to make sure. We won't experiment on our patients. We'll have to do like computer models or do some of the pets first, to make sure the procedure is sound, so that when we try a person, they come back fully functional as an individual, preferably younger, maybe in the early 20s. Because our oldest patient's 102, so I'm sure she's going to. Don't want to come back as a 102-year-old.
Of course. Yeah. So.
Except for the child, our Thailand baby, she'll come back as a child because she has no lifetime memories.
Okay. All right. So, for example, if I'm able to be revived, maybe like 100 years from now. So after I reach, you mentioned like 20 years old. So is there any possibility like to just like stop aging, like just to be there?
Well, they believe that if we're able to reverse the death process, we would have to be able to learn how to reverse the aging process.
Manipulate it. And
they believe that cloning technology and nanotechnology